Also new tonight at 11, Hartford police are investigating more than a dozen cases of insurance fraud, all coming from the Hartford Board of Education. An audit discovered dozens of ex-spouses were still on health plans, receiving tens of thousands of dollars in claims. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is live from Hartford tonight. And Matthew, how long has this been going on?
Well, Aaron, if you are a Hartford taxpayer, you do not want to hear that just one case racked up nearly $700,000 in claims and went undetected for 15 years. But now that this audit has been done, the schools are on a mission to hold people accountable and to get its money back. The Hartford Schools healthcare audit was launched in December 2017. When the report came back 6 months later, it revealed Hartford taxpayers were shelling out hundreds of thousands of dollars when they didn't need to.
I can't believe it. I'm paying for their fraud.
Sakova, a benefits administration company, was hired to do the audit, and they found more than 24 ex-spouses of Hartford school employees remained on their insurance plan years after getting divorced. Here's a breakdown. 27 employees didn't have their exes removed. Of the 27, 17 filed claims that altogether totaled $63,000. However, the most expensive case comes from an ex who was dropped from the plan just prior to the audit. Hartford Public Schools learned the divorce happened 15 years ago, and the ex-spouse ran up claims that totaled about $700,000.
You're sitting here just mooching off somebody else's money? I think whoever does that, if it's man, woman, race, whoever, get a job.
Hartford School Superintendent Dr. Leslie Torres Rodriguez says she'll hold accountable any and all employees who are deemed to have improperly taken advantage of our health care plan. She turned them over to Hartford Police, and they confirm they're investigating more than 20 of these cases.
These people should be held to, if not an average standard, a little bit higher standard, and you think they just do the right thing.
Because of the audit, the schools are expected to save more than $500,000. The city of Hartford, after 10 years of not doing one, decided to do an audit of its own on the 1,300 who work there. That's still going on right now.
Well, I'm paying taxes for you guys. I might as well just do what you guys are doing, right? But I won't, because I'm not lazy.
These numbers may be astounding to taxpayers, but the school system says the results were in the same range as the top 5 education projects Sakova previously completed. Now, if you're a Hartford school employee and you want to double check to make sure that you're filing everything correctly, go onto the Channel 3 app. There we have a step-by-step list of what you need to be doing to make sure that you're in compliance. For now, that's the latest live here in Hartford. Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.